Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you add a pause to your audio or video file in Descript. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download the Descript application from their official site. After downloading and installing the application guys, you can go ahead and log in, and after logging in you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the Descript application. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, here you can see all of the menu options that you can access inside the application. Here you can see your drive, voices, and so on. Here in the middle part of the screen, we can see all of the projects that we are working on. And in the upper right corner of the page, you can see the new project button right here that you can use for go ahead and creating new projects. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to use a project that I already have. I'm not going to be creating a new project. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the project by clicking on it right here. And now this will open up this new project right here, which I am now able to edit. So guys, let's say that I want to create a pause between one of these words or one of the sentences or so on. I'm going to be showing you right now how to do it, and it's very easy. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and extend this part of the page right here so that we can have a better view. So as you can see here guys, is our audio file that we can see, and here is our translation where we can see all the words that are being said inside the file. So let's say that I want to create a pause right here before the last word. Now all I have to do guys is go ahead and make sure that I have selected the select tool right here, and while I have the selected tool, I am going to go ahead and grab the word where I want to make the pause. So I'm going to grab the word and I'm going to drag it all the way to the right. As you can see, it will show you how many seconds is between the last and first word. I'm going to choose 1 second. No, I'm going to choose 1.5 seconds. So right here, I'm going to leave it right here. And now let's go ahead and play the file to see how it looks. As you can see here guys, there will be a pause right here where I have created a fake pause. So there is a pause between this word right here and this one right here. So you can basically play around with this, you can return it back, you can go ahead and make an even bigger pause, you can do whatever you want, but basically that's how you do it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.